Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the filter sheet tab in the spreadsheet for the performance labelizer. So first of all, what you're going to need to do is enable the advanced graphs in the config sheet. Do this by setting the setting to true. This will allow you to set up the graphs in the graph segment in graph single product sheets. Please note that by enabling the advanced graphs by setting it to true, that it is a complex calculation, and so the runtime will take longer. If you have a timeout problem, for example, if you reach over 30 minutes, then if this happens, then you need to set advanced graphs to false because it doesn't allow you to run the script anymore. That's a warning, and we are working to remove the working. Then how do the filters work? So first of all, you have a nice list divided by two sections. You have the graphs single product and graph segments. What you need to do is for the graph single product, you can select one of the product IDs and it will reflect in the graph single product sheet. For the graph segment, you have like a lot of filters you can use. And what this will do is if you enable one of the filters, you will reflect that in the graph segment sheet. But if you combine multiple filters, it will combine them. So it's an and custom label 1 and brand. It will try to match those products. And you basically enable it by setting the checkbox on your status to true. And then you can select the drop-down menu in the value section. And that's everything you need to know about how to set up the filters. Everything will be reflected into the sheets themselves.